Hey guys, this is Vince with Practical Performance. This is part 8 of the convertible specific front gusset cups for the VinceBar kit. In the last episode we verified that the design fits. We put together, I tack welded these together, and then I welded at the seam weld. I'm in need of straightening the faceplate because of the warping of the heat, and I was talking about putting together a jig. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to show you how I did that. So I designed these pieces. So this large plate would go on the back side here. These plates go on the sides, and the bottom surface of the tube would be sitting on that surface there. Now, this is actually for the left side. Just gonna show you the end result. So, turn this around, you can see those tabs right there. Those are the tabs on this piece here that go into there. So this allowed me to put it all together without having to weld it. I checked whether this would fit inside or not, and I realized that just having this rather small hole, which is equivalent of that, I couldn't tip it out once it was in there. So as you can see, I modified it there. I verified then that everything fit. These, in those holes right there, I added these screws. So those screws would allow me to sort of hang this faceplate onto there. I later also installed or welded on this little shelf, or whatever you call that. So that would also control how this is sitting. And the way it works is, let's see if I can switch hands. This is a modified wheel bolt, just made it a little bit smaller. You would take one of these pipe gusset things that I already welded on the bottom into. It will go in like this. So you can view that from the top. You see here, let's see if you can see that. So you see the hole there, there's a welded nut on the underside. You put this there, add the screw in, tighten that. Take the faceplate. I don't have any more of these right now because voila, there are 9 more over there. That makes up the first batch of 10. Anyway, you would take this plate, put it on, clamp it on. I also have some welding clamps on the sides. And once that's done, just make sure small adjustments and then weld it up. So you get something like this. So I just wanted to show that. This is the right side. This is for the left side. I just finished the CAD files for the faceplate and the reinforcement plate. Actually, I have those as well. I'll show that at a later phase actually, and also the cut plate for the left side. So that will be the next thing. Thank you.